Not all of us are fortunate enough to come from rich families. However, you don't have to be celebrity or trust fund baby to get rich. Opinion vary when it comes down to what it really means to be considered rich. However, the thing to remember is that being rich isn't just about the amount of money you accumulate but also include your net worth. Net worth is the value of all your assets minus the liabilities that you owe. Once you figure out your current net worth, you can figure out no matter what your current net worth is. Don't be discouraged because you can start working toward getting rich from nothing by following specific steps. Let's get into them. First, get your money mindset right. The mind is powerful thing, especially when it comes to your money mindset. If you have a poor mindset, you will continue making poor financial decisions, keeping you poor and living paycheck to paycheck. Nobody benefits by having a negative outlook. But you can change from a poor mindset to a rich mindset by developing the right habit. A poor A popular way to get motivated and create a rich mindset is to create a financial vision board. You will put up pictures, motivational quote and financial goals on your board and hang it where you see it every day. This helps you to see your financial goal daily and can keep you motivated. Another way to improve your money mindset is to read about how to become rich from other financial success stories. When you see others succeed, it can help motivate you to achieve financial success. So, the first step is to get the right mindset. Second, create a financial plan. The biggest step on how to get rich from nothing to create a financial plan. The quote, if you fail to prepare to fail, proves true, especially when it comes to finance. If you ask someone who has done it has to become rich, they will advise you to create a financial plan by doing the following. Set financial goals. To get started on creating your financial plan, you will want to set up your financial goal. It ways to set short term and long term goals by breaking down make you more likely to achieve them. It makes it easier to figure out how to become wealthy by setting financial goals. Calculate the number. Remember, you need to figure out what your net worth is to know how to become rich. Knowing your starting point and how much or how little you have, you can figure out how much money and asset you will need to acquire to achieve your goal. Try this same million calculator to see your number. Even if you don't have a high net worth, don't worry because like anything else, you can achieve it by taking the right steps with your personal finance. Here are a couple of ways to start. Pay off debt. Debt is expensive. Personal loan, credit card debt, and student loan can rack up thousands of dollars in interest payment. A secret on how to get rich from nothing is first becoming debt free. By implementing a debt payoff strategy, you can quickly pay off your high interest debt and start working on becoming wealthy. You could try to take a snowball method and pay off your smaller balance first, or give the debt avalanche method a try and pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Whichever you choose, just be sure it's something you are able to stick with. Start saving money. Ask a financially successful person how to become wealthy, and they are sure to answer with save your money. Saving money is crucial step on how to get rich from nothing. You don't need to make tons of money to save. You can even save money on a tight budget. When you get into a habit of saving, you can start building your bank account faster than you think. Get on a budget. Getting on a budget is essential when it comes to getting rich. Budgeting holds you accountable for all the money you spend. When making a budget, you want to find a budgeting method that works best for you in order for you to stick to it. You may be surprised that many millionaires stick with a budget to stay financially successful. See, you see, so even wealthy people see the advantage of budgeting. Fourth, live below your means. A key secret on how to get rich from nothing. A key secret of how to get rich from nothing is to live below your means. By living below your means, you will spend less money and build your saving account. Just like with budgeting, live below your means will be financial lifestyle you will be applied to build and attain wealth. To live below your means, keeping the following things in mind. Curbs your spending. Learning how to curb your spending will help you to live below your means. Cutting expenses on items such as eating out, expenses, coffee, designer cloth, and impulsive purchases can help you save money. Doing things like making a grocery list to keep you from wasting food can be a big step in curbing your spending and help you keep more money in your pocket. Live frugally. By living frugally, you can reach financial freedom fast. Being frugal means being intentional with your spending. You prioritize your spending and find ways to reduce your expenses. Canceling cable, purchasing pre-owned instead of new, and selling items you don't need are examples of being frugal. Being frugal can help you build your wealth. Become a savvy shopper. You can save money shopping if you do it right. This is an essential step in how to get rich from nothing. You can use coupon and discount card to save money on groceries. Shopping second hand for clothes, card and other items can save thousands of dollars per year. You can save the extra money and use it to invest and start building your wealth. Fifth, create multiple stream of income. Do you remember the saying, don't put all of your egg in one basket? The same goes when it comes to your income. The average millionaire has seven streams of income. By diversifying your income, you grow wealth faster and create financial security. For instance, if you have a side hustle in addition to your day job, you have two streams of income rather than depending on one or the other. This is a smart money move because if you were to lose your job for some reason, you would still have some income coming in from your side hustle. You can even grow your side hustle into a small business if you want to. Income stream consists of your main job, side hustle, passive income, investment account, interest from saving account, rental properties, and more. These are many ways to create multiple stream of income. Creating multiple stream of income is a sure way on how to become wealthy. Keep in mind that while get rich quick scheme might sound attractive, many of them are exactly that schemes. So instead of trying a get rich quick scheme, work on creating multiple source of income. Remember, rich people and multiple ways to bring in money, especially billionaires. Sixth, boost your current income. You can boost your current income to help in your new financial journey of getting rich. One way to do this by asking a raise at your current job. Be sure you have been performing well and have worked for the company for a while. If you go this route, if you are good employee, they may be willing to increase your income to keep you from looking for another job. If you have been with your current employer for a significant time period and perform your job well, they refuse to give you pay increase your desire, it may be time to seek out the other opportunity. Browse up your resume and seek out an opportunity that will give you the pay bump you need in order to start getting rich. You may also consider furthering your education in order to get a higher paying career. Rather than going into deep debt with a student loan for college, you can consider a high-paying trade career. Instead, examples of trade career are carpenter, technician, electrician, plumber, hairdresser, dental assistant, photographer. These are just few examples of great career options with good pay. Trade career programs typically take less time to complete, the cost less than college tuition. 7. Invest your money. A huge factor in how to get rich from nothing is investing your money. Even if you don't have much money, you can still get started investing to start building wealth. Similarly to creating multiple income streams, you will want to eventually diversify your investment to this way you are bringing in income from a variety of sources. Some investment type include stock, bond, IRS, 401k, real estate business. The sooner you invest, the quicker you will build your wealth. Some people avoid investing because of their fear of stock market. Don't do immediate advice investing. You can learn everything you need to start investing with Clever Girl Finance book. Learn how investing work, grow your money. You will learn how investing work, how to create an investing strategy, what key pitfalls to avoid, how to leverage investing on a modest salary, building a nest egg for your future, real success story from other investors. You will learn how to become wealthy from this fantastic book while learning how investing works, how to get rich from nothing. The recap. So the bottom line is just because you may have lived paycheck to paycheck most of your life doesn't mean it has to stay that way. You can achieve any financial goal you have by taking charge of your finances and starting now. Learning how to become rich can help you conquer your dream of being rich. Remembering the step on how to get rich with nothing are: get your money mindset right, create a financial plan, get on a budget, live below your means, create multiple streams of income, boost your current income, invest your money. By implementing this key step, you can set yourself up to have a rich financially future. So get out there and achieve millionaire status. Be be sure to subscribe our channel, like and comment in our videos. Thank you.